Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize WooCommerce products page in WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to make sure that you are in the admin panel of WordPress. After that, we will need simply to go to the theme page or the appearances so we can start uh, changing in our products page. So basically, you will need first to go to the products page or appearance, and from there you can either go to the themes, and you will need also to have the customize. And basically, the themes is to have the first layouts or the functionalities and the theme for the appearance for your store. You can also just click on add new theme and search for some stores for WooCommerce. So here I'm just going to type WooCommerce, and basically you can have themes that would uh, apply for WooCommerce. And as you can see, there is uh, many themes that you can use for your store, and you can choose anyone. And if you want to have some customization, you can just go to customize, and then it will take you to the builder. And basically, each theme has its builder. It can be Elementor or any other builder. So as you can see, I'm having this Astra that give us this builder, and you can go to the menus. For example, you can choose any menu and pages from here, and you can start building on it. So we can go to WooCommerce. For example, you can go to a single products page from here, and basically you can start designing it by having the container layouts. You can choose what you want to be uh, displayed, what you want to be hidden, etc. And you can start customizing on your page. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.